Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Um, Today I'm gonna show unboxing the Lenovo laptop, Lenovo Slim Pro 7. It's a 14-inch laptop, and the processor is Intel 11th Gen Core i7 Evo platform. So let me open. This laptop is 16 GB RAM. The actual price is 11.99, but right now in Costco it's in sale for Thanksgiving, and it's only they give $300 discount, so it's a big discount. So it's just 8.99 plus tax, and it has 16 GB RAM and QHD display, 1 terabyte SSD hard drive. So let me open the laptop. I think this is charger, maybe, not sure. They packed it nicely. Ooh. So this is the laptop. Let me open this. Yeah, I'm right. This is the charger. They packed it very nicely. Put it back. Charger. This is Thunderbolt charger, so it will be charging to the Thunderbolt port. Nice. I'm gonna show you all the features and everything of this laptop. Oh, nice. I like the packaging. It looks really nice. Wow. Nice bag. So, friends, this is the laptop. It's a very slim one. See, very slim. Lenovo Ideapad Slim 7i Pro. Let me, what else in the box? I love the packaging though. Okay, I think nothing else inside. Let me put this back. Here's the safety information and warranty guide, so you should read it. And Lenovo Ideapad Slim 7i Pro 14-inch laptop, and it has the manual, so you can read it for your quick start. So let me open the laptop first. Wow, nice. Lenovo series. So friends, this is the laptop. It's very slim. You can see it. It's very slim. Let me. So you can see the laptop. It's very slim, as I told you, and very slim. The processor is Intel Core i7 11th generation Evo platform. So that is 16 GB RAM. Also one terabyte SSD. It has one USB port 3.1, and this is a headphone jack, this is power button, and two Thunderbolt port, one for charging. It's not a two-in-one laptop. That's it. Let me put it on charge and then we'll turn it on. So I'm putting the charger. So the light glow, so you can see that it's charging. Let me turn it on. Ta-da. I press the button. So the logo comes. This is really nice, and it is that, as I told you, the display is QHD, which means more than 2K plus display and 2K resolution. So now the laptop will be like setting up Windows 11. So let's wait. It's setting up the Windows, so this will take time, I believe. It's not easy. In the meantime, let me tell you again, this is Lenovo Ideapad Slim 7i Pro laptop. It has Intel 11th generation Core i7 Evo platform processor. It's a very high performance processor, and 16 GB RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, 14-inch display. So, and the actual price is $11.99, but Costco right now they have a sale for Black Friday, so it's just $8.99 plus tax. So friends, I already entered all the required information like sign into Microsoft account and provide all the details, and now it's installing Windows. As you can see, one good feature that I just experienced while going through the installation process, I saw this laptop has face recognition. So to open the laptop, you don't need to enter password or pin all the times. It will recognize your face also. So that's a good feature and good things to know. I didn't know that before I purchased it, so that's good thing. I thought I should let you guys know about this. So let's wait till it get installed the Windows. Friends, while it is installing Windows, I wanted to let you know that you should I recommend you to read the quick start book, and it will have all the instructions. Like it says to start, the first connect the charger, then put the power button on. So I didn't read it, but I followed that instruction based on my experience, and it has all the information about the laptop. So I recommend you to go through the guide that they provide. That's very helpful. So friends, the installation is done. Windows 11 installed already, so the PC is good to go now. So friends, my computer is ready to use, as I told you, and let me one test I already ran. I just checked all the browsers and run YouTube and check. But one more test I did is I recorded one 4K video on my phone and just played it on this new laptop. Even though this is not a 4K resolution, the computer doesn't have 4K resolution, but still I wanted to check, can I run 4K videos on this laptop or not, and I used my iPhone to record a 4K video, and just try to play on it. So before I purchase, I had a big question on this, like can I use 4K video, because I make videos for my YouTube channel. So I wanted to see whether it works or not, because all the 4K laptops are very expensive, and I wanted some cheaper one and which can serve my purpose. So people like me who wants a high performance computer but doesn't want to spend a lot of money, then this will be a very good choice for them. So let me tell you the configuration again, friends. This is Lenovo Slim Pad 7 Pro. It's a 14-inch laptop, QHD laptop. The processor is Intel 11th generation Core i7 Evo platform, and 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. So I just showed you almost everything, and hope you enjoy the video. And if you like the video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Enjoy.